Do you like cottage home decor? I'm gonna show you how I made this look for less than $15. First, I'm taking you to my local thrift store here in Ohio, and after I fill out my cart with the things that I like, I'm gonna flip them. Hello my darlings, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am C and this is CJ DIY. I found this beautiful vintage canvas for $2.99. Can you believe it? It's amazing. It looks beautiful. Don't get me wrong. It's perfect for Christmas, but I like the frame on it. So I'm gonna remove the canvas slowly and carefully because I want to use this canvas again for Christmas. So now on the back, I'm just gonna remove the back tape that it came with it. And we're gonna remove the canvas slowly. When I was removing it, I even noticed that it was a light too. So the candle on that canvas is lighting up. So slowly, I'm just removing the whole canvas with the whole wire with the lightning, and I wanna keep it safe for Christmas because I'm gonna remake it. Don't be mad at me, but I'm gonna make a beautiful frame for whole year or for spring. To get the look that I like, I'm using these whiffing reeds. If you're watching my channel, I've been using those for some of my projects and I really love them. So now I'm just using that whiffing reed and see where I'm gonna position it. I cut off two small little pieces so I can put them on top, and the one longer one is gonna be in the middle of my arched window. First, I'm staple gunning the first two shorter pieces on top of my frame. Super quick and easy. I love to work with these whiffing reeds because they're like so soft and you can make them in any position that you like. I will have the link in my description box if you like to purchase them and play around with them and create beautiful things, not just baskets. Now I'm putting the longer piece in the middle, and also I'm gonna staple gun it on the top and on the bottom and between the other frames that they're in the middle as well. I'm also adding a crisscross with this whiffing reed so I can get the shape of that arch window. Super easy. Just going from the top and the bottom, staple gunning them. And last, I'm using another one to match my design, doing the same thing like I did for the previous one. I'm cutting off the extra pieces. Next, for extra embellishment, I'm gonna be adding these wooden cutouts, beautiful shapes and designs. I got those in my stack. I can't remember where I got them from, but you can also add some stickers or some mold figures to add that extra vintage look, which I think it's gonna look super cute. So I'm adding those pieces just to see where I'm gonna add them and see how they're gonna look. They're coming with the different shapes, and adding some on the top, on the bottom, on the side, and I think it's gonna look so beautiful. I'm gluing them with a cement glue before I paint them out. Make sure that they're nice and sturdy and fully glued before we apply some paint on it. And I think this look is gonna be so high-end look, and nobody will know that we only purchased this frame for $2.99. I'm gonna be using linen folk art paint to cover the whole frame inside and out, and I think this paint looks just perfect for this frame. To get the metal a real rustic look, I'm just adding a little bit distressing with the black paint and with my little distressing brush, going over especially around my embellishment and around the frames. And that's it for this flip. Today I am so happy that I'm a part of another Thriftflip road trip open challenge. It's hosted by my amazing, darling, super talented friends Trish and Kay from Crafting Cousins and Sammie from Unicorn Dust Designs. They're hosting this challenge every second Thursday of every other month, and if you're a creator, you should come and join us because we are having so much fun. Links from their channels are in my description box, along with the amazing playlist with so many talented creators. So after you're done watching my video, you know where you're going next. Each and every one of us work very hard to show you lots of inspirations for your home decor. I found this large vase for $2.99 and I want to flip it. My daughter told me that it's beautiful like it is, to leave it alone, but I wanted to make it over. So I'm gonna give that new concrete look that there is trending these days, and with the help of a folk art castle paint with a white and a sponge, I'm just dabbing until I got the look that I like. Let me know what do you think about my flips today, if you like them, and if you're gonna visit some thrift store around your area so you can make very high-end look on a budget, and nobody will know that we're gonna remake something just for a couple of dollars. And if we go to high-end stores, those looks are going even for hundreds. I added some beautiful floral, and look at this look. I am in love with this. I got this large sign, I think it was like $1.99. It's like a large 24 by 12, I believe. I'm adding some paint on it first. Doesn't need to be perfect. I let it dry and I'm gonna add some decoupage sheet. I got this beautiful cottage birdie print from my Victorian heart since last year, and I'm gonna decoupage the top portion of this beautiful decoupage sheet. Now that I cut off the piece that I like, all I'm gonna do is just adding a Mod Podge slowly, line by line. I don't want to do all Mod Podge at first so we can get crinkles on it. So just a little portion, line by line, and going with my fingers and the decoupage roller, and this beautiful art piece, it's gonna come out gorgeous at the end. So just layer by layer with the sponge brush. We don't need a large amount of Mod Podge, just enough to glue the paper on it, and with the fingers going around. It's so easy. For those of you who are watching my channel, you know that I love to decoupage, and I never had a problem with it. I know lots of people are using those mini iron these days, but I don't see it yet that I need one, because I don't have any problem doing those decoupages without the iron on it. I'm just using my fingers and my roller, and you're gonna see the final result at the end. The secret for the decoupage is just a little bit layer by layer, Mod Podge slowly, and just covering it, and with the fingers just moving around the bubbles, and that's it. It's not a big philosophy. It's super easy and very high-end boutique gorgeous look. And we only did this just for $2-3. I told you today, all that look that you saw on my intro is less than $15. And I hope I inspired you a lot today for you to go to thrift store and pay less and recreate something that you like, your style, and beautiful home decor for spring or for summer. Now when my whole decoupage sheet is done, to seal it, I'm adding a Mod Podge on top, and that's it for this flip. To get rid of the extra pieces on the edges, I'm just using a lighter slowly. This is only for adults, not for kids. Kids are not allowed to use this. And we're done. Those frames are from Dollar Tree. They're not from thrift store, but I wanted to include them in my decor for today. So I'm using those 3 frames that I love, and I'm gonna be adding those beautiful decoupage birdies. Same purchase from my Victorian Heart. I just wanna see which of those I'm gonna use. And all I did is I just cut off the edges, and I'm just adding them between the 2 glasses. I think these frames look so high-end. When I saw them, I'm like, I'm gonna get this because they look so high-end. They don't even look like they are from Dollar Tree. And they're gonna match perfect with my home decor today. So I'm just making like a round shape at the edges. And that's it. I didn't want it to do anything extra. First, I thought with those birdies, I'm gonna add them on my fabrics and add them on a different frame, but I think these frames looks just perfect for my home decor, like a modern cottage home, farmhouse, whatever you like to call them. I think it matched just perfect with any theme. I removed the paper that is coming with these frames. I also added that little line of a tape on the back so that print cannot move. And that's it. Super simple and easy DIY, and nobody will know that we made those out of Dollar Tree frames. I would love to hear from you and give me your thoughts. What do you think about this look? I am in love with this. I love every single piece that I made. Today I made another beautiful piece, but my video was going to be too long, so I'm gonna leave it for my next videos. And my darlings, before I let you go, don't forget to check out the amazing Trish and Kay crafting cousins, Sammie, Unicorn Dust Designs, and every single person that is part of this amazing playlist, because all of them are amazing. And my darlings, until Sunday, which is gonna be another amazing video for Easter, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye bye.